Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm going to show you what's inside my travel bag. So we are going to travel this weekend, and most of the time I usually pack our stuff like 2 days ahead of time just to make sure that I didn't miss anything or stuff like that. So let me show you guys my travel bag. So this is the bag that I'm going to show you. It's heavy. So this is Birkin in size 35. And then I'm going to show you what's inside. So right now it's really packed. So I'm sorry, it's heavy. So let me show you what's inside this bag. So like I mentioned in my previous video before, is I have 2 kids. So if I carry big bags or large bags like this, is mostly I use it as a diaper bag. So the first stuff that I'm gonna take out from here is my son's iPad, and I also have my Gucci glasses in here. I have burp cloth. I also have wipes for my kids, and I also have my Bookie wipes. I also have their snacks in here. And sometimes I do put water in here as well. And I also have this makeup bag in here. So what's inside is my comb, my sanitizer, this Tide to-go Tide, and then I also have the sunscreen, rosaries in here. So that one, and I also have this organizer in here. I already mentioned before what's in here is I have the mask in here, I have my lip balm, sanitizer, sanitary napkins. I also have band-aids and sewing kits in here, and I also have some toothpicks in here. So just in case of emergency, so I have all this stuff. And the last but not the least is I have this one, the Nolita 19. So if I carry big bags like this, usually I prefer to have this one inside my bag. So just in case that I need to grab something, like go to the vending machines, or I need to use the bathroom during stopovers, is I'm just gonna take this out from my bag and just pretty much carry this instead of carrying the whole thing. So in here is I have my wallet in here. I have this wallet, and then I have my mask. I also have my earbuds in here, and my, again, lip balm. So that's what's inside my travel bag. So if you guys are interested to this kind of video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys again next time. Bye! Thank you for watching.